Hello friends! Welcome back to Tranbox, where we discover the best products and the coolest tech together. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all the latest. Canon EOS R7 RFS 18 to 150mm f3.5 to 6.3 ES STM lens kit, mirrorless vlogging camera, 32.5 megapixel image quality, 4K 60p video, Digi-CX image processor, dual pixel CMOS AF, subject detection, content creators capture breathtaking photos and 4K 60p videos with the Canon EOS R7 STM kit. This Canon R7 camera's Digi-CX image processor with 32.5 APS-C CMOS sensor takes your content creation and photography to new heights. The included RFS 18 to 150mm lens, along with optional mounts such as EFS, EF, RF, and the new RFS mounts 1, easily attached to the EOS R7. With the EOS R7 digital camera's continuous shooting speeds of 15 frames per second, you can shoot crystal clear images of cars, sporting events, animals too, and other moving objects anytime, anywhere. Built with 5-axis image stabilization with coordinated control 3. This Canon digital camera comes complete with 7 stops of shake correction, so every shot remains sharp. Powering up your camera is hassle-free. It operates with the included Canon LPE6NH battery pack, compatible with LPE6N and LPE6 battery packs. Easily charge your Canon video camera with the USB power adapter PDE or keep it powered up for use as a webcam with the AC adapter ACE6N and DC port E6.